Congratulations on gaining your qualified teacher status here in Wales. You should have received an email with a link to download your certificate. That's your official proof that you've met the standard for entry into the profession, so keep it safe. You may be asked for it in the future. If you haven't received it, just get in touch and a member of the team will help you out. Now that you've got QTS, if you're planning to work as a school teacher in Wales, there are a few important steps to take. First, you must be registered with us in the correct category before you start work. It's quick and easy to apply. Just head to ewc.wales and click Apply to register on the homepage. If you're already registered, now is the perfect moment to log into your My EWC account and check your details are up to date. Second, you must complete a statutory period of induction. This includes if you undertake short-term supply work. You have 5 years from today, the 1st of August 2025, to complete your induction. And third, once registered with us, you will be expected to comply with the Code of Professional Conduct and Practice. To support you with this, we provide access to a wide range of tools and resources, from good practice guides and on-demand webinars to EBSCO and your Professional Learning Passport, or PLP. And finally, if you're still job hunting, don't forget to check out Educators Wales. It's the go-to place for education vacancies across Wales. Congratulations again, and remember, we're here if you need us.